Say again.
Mega fucking bus! No, now I'm serious. Over at 12 midnight, and he waiting till the mega bus fucking come, and to go to New York because my cousin left in guest party 12 hours ago. So what? And he waiting, and then truck go out, and big cushy like niggas come out. He's the driver, and he come, hey, listen, people, no bus, no. And fuck you, I'm back. You think I'm small? Not good.
Then he closed the door.
No, I tell him, okay, well, you go, say, I go to Facebook, and I said, no, you go to New York, I need to go to New York. No. And all the people, all the American people, they're so stupid. In my country, someone said me no bus, so I take my guy and I shot him, and they have the bus for my way to New York. The American people, okay,
Yes,
we go home.
Stupid.
I'm sorry, we don't think we cancel bus, we go home. Everybody's so stupid. Everybody's taking me to tell people.
Go home. I'm gonna sleep in the subway for the next 12 hours.
Everybody did that, but I did not.
Oh, then what? No, we should not.
We don't know.
Really?
Okay, no.
Israelis like to kill people.
Yes, you can in the
You
subway.
close to us.
You're innocent.
And then the big guy over there. No, I need to finish the story. Let me finish. No, this fucking crazy driver tell me, no, you can go up. I tell you, okay, you see this? Go, I sit over here until you send me another bus, okay? And he said, no. He don't know what to say. So I sit, and what he did, he closed on me the door. So I was like stuck over here. Buddy outside, and buddy inside the bus. No, it's so funny. It's so fucking funny. And then we pay for a cab, taxi, that's driving back to Fairfax. And then go to Fairfax and go to sleep. It was so fun. I sleep for a while. And then we come back.
What the fuck? Oh, yeah, he put Zappo. I hate put Zappo. Turn up thing off that.
Okay.